Okay? After you.
So,
Like this, ha? Okay.
mag-aano na naman sila ng kanilang, ano to, crinkles yun, no, ate?
Oh, chocolate crinkles.
Chocolate crinkles.
Make like this.
Okay.
And then pour it there.
Okay.
Make sure we put it with the white ones, ha?
Okay.
Once you finish, shape. Press.
Me? Pizza?
Oh, I will give you also a spoon. 2 spoon for you.
Oh, we already have spoon. Like one.
Cut it and put there.
Okay.
Put here, the other one. Push that one.
No.
Okay. You shape na.
Oh. Me?
Coat with
Book more. There's no more.
ano ba yan? I'm sorry.
Pizza?
I will give you. Very big.
Pizza?
Put there da.
There?
Shape it, ha?
I want it with lime. I want it with lime.
Oh.
It will crack. Baby, you put it back. Put more, icing sugar. Put this one back. No need.
On the other side,
That one.
Put all. Put all on the other side.
That's allowed.
That's a lot. Put in the other side also. Hindi ko na nakurasan yun.
This will be the baby.
Make cute baby.
That is the baby.
This is my baby.
That is my baby.
Here's the daddy and
There's
here's
the
the baby. I'll be the one to put there.
That is me. That is me.
Right?
Ito, hindi ito inaanap mo, Han.
Okay.
Ano ba ito? Pero ito, di ba?
This one for you, Saki. Saki.
Okay. Mine is done.
Wow.
Okay. Then, there's the mom.
So, ngayon naman, naggagawa naman sila ng chocolate crinkles. Si ate naman ang tuturo sa kanila para gumawa.
Put all, ha?
Mahilig talaga silang mag-bake. Kaya yan sila. Yan. So, anong oras na? 7 na, guys. Pero maliwanag pa sa labas. 7 na yan. Maliwanag pa sa labas. Ay! Hindi siya nag-focus. Yan. So, maliwanag pa sa labas. Wow! So, yung ginagawa nila crinkles.
Put it here. Over.
That's mine. That's mine.
Ikaw, di ba?
Ay, yung pala pinatay.
Daddy, it's mine.
Lutuin ulit.
Yung gulay.
Teka muna. Ano nga ulit ta?
Bake.
Dapat. Timer.
Anong
Tell me something about that. Huh? What are you doing, Zachary?
That is you. That is
What?
that is.
Ano yan, anak?
This is.
nakasalang na pala?
Yes, you.
Yours? That is. I got the worst thing.
Ito.
That is That is
Oh, no more space for you.
Zion.
Where is your pen?
I want to make a very, very. I want to make my favorite.
not sure.
Daddy, mommy, favorite. That
What
is.
is that? Show, say something to the vlog. What are you doing?
That is.
Guys,
That is.
look at me. I'm cooking.
I'm cooking. I'm cooking.
Get me a plate.
Yes.
Yay!
Put.
Oh, I cannot
And
open.
you found
Wait
it.
a minute for a while.
It's so like a dough.
Huh?
It's a dough?
That is
Plate,
you.
plate,
That's
plate.
me. That
Put
is
it here, the
Zion.
cookies.
Because you like a dough.
Put
That
yours
is
here.
me.
Yung gagawin ni Zion, baon niya na yan bukas.
Zion.
It will be your baon tomorrow, Zion. Okay?
Okay.
It will be your lunch.
Yes.
Ano lang sa kanila, no? Finger foods.
Oo, finger foods.
Is it a oven?
Chef,
We cannot bake
Chef
like
Zaki, what's that?
You make it like this.
We just made
Shape it.
a baby. Okay, with my hands?
Yes.
Where are you putting it? Put it in your own.
You can shape it with your hands. We just have it in our
You're already, that's good already. Yours.
Smell it.
The
Can you
pink
smell it?
should be circle.
What's the smell?
Cool.
Good? Smells yummy? Smells delicious, anak?
Yes, it smells delicious.
After you bake, clean up, okay?
Okay. You're like a baby. He just cutting it.
Ah, good job, Zion. Now you finish your water. Almost finished.
It's a baby, okay? Don't eat it yet. We just eat a baby one.
Should be bigger, anak. That's the crinkles. You should make it flat.
Yeah, I'm making it.
Yes, like that. And there, it should be white.
Pwede lagyan ng mga sprinkles din na.
Yeah, that's good.
Sprinkles.
And Daddy. There. This is mine. I think this is mine. Oh, it's got something.
Okay, we have to get more.
Too much, Zion.
Not too much, anak. That's okay na.
Okay.
And finished product.
Oh, you put here.
Ito ba yan, ate? Finished
Oo.
product? Wow! Yan ang tinatawag na pandilimon.
Oh, that's enough na.
Show your,
This is yours.
Okay, show your finished product to daddy.
Oh, put here, one by one.
Show to daddy.
Oh, put here.
Zachary, show yours.
Not all.
Wow!
One by one. With space, ha?
With space.
Oh, with space
Kuya
daw.
first.
Oh, one by one. Oh,
With
kuya
space,
muna.
ha? With space, kuya.
Oh, wait
Here.
for ano.
Okay. Put there. Okay. Oh, next.
This chocolate flavor.
Napagod si Zachary, oh.
I'm not tired at all.
Ah, you're not tired. Oh, press a little. Oh.
Kohan,
That is my
baka katulad din ng sayo na gawa mo.
Zion. That is Zion.
Oh.
Perfect yan, perfect.
Parang mas bilog pa yung gawa ni Zachary, ah.
Oo. Maganda yung gawa ni Zachary, oh.
Ganyan,
Oh,
Zachary.
yan na yung space. Ang galing niya maglagay
I
ng
forgot to
space
make
talaga.
this one.
Ayos ah.
Pina-flat niya pa dun sa tray.
Okay na yan, anak.
Oh, may ano pa, may ano pa.
Put here. The ones yours here are
Bido-
here, ha?
Ano, Salt Bay. may ano pa, may pang final finishing pa eh.
Dito. Dito.
May ano pa eh.
Oh, that's enough.
Napagod na siya. O, tingnan.
May panapos na eh.
Kasi kinakain na niya.
Kinain na ba niya?
Kinakain, tinitikman na niya.
Kuya, where is your, powder?
Your powder daw.
Put powder, the white powder.
Ayan o, this one o, so many.
O, dyan may icing,
Marami pa dito ate. Sayang yan.
You finish na? Oh,
Gawa
yours.
ni Honey. Tignan natin gawa ni Honey. Wow, perfect.
That's a circle.
Semi-circle square.
Next, last one.
Saka may ano, hanggang damit.
No, don't put that on.
Hirapan siya pa ano eh.
Wait for your cookies.
Wait na.
Let me wash my
Ilan,
hands in
10
the
minutes.
toilet.
Okay.
Hands in the toilet.
Ay,
Oh, you wash na.
timer pala. Timer. Ilan yun ate?
Marami. Depende yan sa gawa.
Ilang,
10 minutes.
hindi ilang ano? Temperature?
Yan, 350.
350, di ba? Ayan. Nagalaw ko ang tip. Oh.
You check.
Wow. I'll take my toy.
Look what you made, oh.
That is mine.
That's the cookies.
Mainit.
Let's play like the tutus.
Be careful, that's hot, that's hot.
Let's play like the tutus. Just slide.
Oh, check it out.
Eat na, eat.
Check.
How is it?
Nice?
Done.
Is it good, Zachary?
Try.
Dali.
Zachary,
Try, Zion.
is it good? Yes?
Can I try it?
Approve?
Ito na yung finished product. Ito na yung finished product.
Is it done?
Yeah, you can
Yes.
taste.
So, verdict.
Ah,
How is it? Say something to the camera.
Yummy.
yummy. How about you, Zachary? Is it yummy,
This
Zachary?
part.
Wow. Tango-tango na lang si Zachary.
Stairs.
Han,
Oh, tikman mo.
tingnan na natin. Ito yung isa.
Siya yung crinkles na lasa.
Managot-got.
You ask Kuya there. Oh, dali. You send this, biscuit to Kuya.
Nabamatapon yan.
Yan na.
Turn on the light. Be careful. Slowly.
Stupid.
Mm.
And I'm coming to help you. I help
Okay,
you.
go.